like to share regarding six taxes. One person paid six taxes and he went to the court, and judge finally decided that, and he gave order to Alma that Alma need to deliver his TRC card after 70 working days. The order, in the order, how many days? Judge is writing 70 working days. So this is very good in the sense that six taxes plus 60 days, almost within 8 months, this man will be able to get the card. In this scenario in which Aima genuinely after 2 years sending email, first email came, second email came, the people went to biometric and they got their interview, but they did not get their PRC card. 2 years was email approximately, and then 1 year more, mean within 3 years they are not getting card, and this man is almost getting within 8 months under this scenario, under current scenario, mean April 2024, in which I'm at least taking 3 to 1 year in issuing, in the delivery of the car. So therefore, my suggestion, my advice, if you can afford some money, why you are not using legal right, and you have complete right to get your cars through court, and but your lawyer must be very authentic, your lawyer must be very genuine, because there are two type of the lawyers who are working. One type of the lawyer are very unexperienced and they spoil the case. A lot of examples we have seen, some female lawyers, Portuguese lawyers, they were not serious, and the clients went to them and they are telling that they were not serious, and they actually gave very fake hope to the client, and the client are very satisfied. They went to home that our case will be clear later on. Later on, when they went to IMA, so IMA told that your lawyer did not give us this document. Later on, after 6 months, that story I will share in another clip. But I am sharing now that if you have paid six taxes and you think that you have some money as well, and you can afford some money, why not you are going to hire a lawyer who is efficient and can fight with IMA and can go to the court, and judge is writing in the order that this migrant has complete right to get the card within specific time. IMA inspector actually definitely verifying that we have backlog of application, 500,000 backlog of application. The people are waiting. People did not our people are so waiting, and therefore we are unable to handle six taxes people, because people waited 2 years. We sent email and we are not able to deliver their cards. How this man should be entertained within 6 months? The people almost getting 2.5 years due to the huge backlog of application, almost 500,000 applicants now processing, our cases are in process. The judge told straightforward that I don't know which type of the backlog you people have. That's your mistake or any other mistake. I can't say anything. But only thing I would like to say, you need to follow the laws of the country and rules and regulation of the country. And laws of the country is that you have to give card within six taxes. Legal individual has complete right to get six taxes, and judge is writing 70 working days. It means that after six taxes you are eligible to get your card within 70 working days. Sometimes judge is writing 20 working days, sometimes judge is writing 60 working days. In some letters judge is writing 90 working days. So I think in current scenario, this is very good chance to get the card by this way. Therefore, if you are disheartened, if you think that your migration would be very late, if you think IMA is not responding well, if you think your email did not receive, if and your company is genuine, you have paid six legal taxes, your documents are okay, you are a genuine person, you just want to stay permanently in Portugal by genuine way. So this is a very good option, I think so. If you are thinking that fee will be paid, sometimes we do little bit saving in these cases. I personally feel you should not go to the fake agents. You should not go to the any agents who are not registered. You should not go to even cheap lawyers who are not good lawyers. You just get the knowledge and information from the market. Just go to the experienced lawyer with track record result of such cases. And if you are able to handle your case yourself by lawyer within 6 months, mean after six taxes by yourself, 70 working days, 20 working days, as I told you, 90 working days, the judge is giving order. And after that order, you would be able to get your card in no time. You are technically not linked with the IMA now. You are linked with now the court. The court will decide about your case. Therefore, this is one of the best option, I think so. Another option is that you need to wait. Currently, if you will ask the cards will come or not, definitely this is your luck. Because why I am telling this point? I am telling this point, reason is that because after first email, people are not receiving their second email. They are writing comment into each YouTuber when my second email will come. According to laws, when any department send first email, mean Immigration Department of Portugal, IMA or SAP, they have to send second email. My question is that if they are not sending second email within limited time, what is the guarantee they will take your biometric well in time? If they are not taking biometric well in time and they are delaying, what is the guarantee they will deliver your card soon? Reason is that because people are telling they are getting cards within 3 months to 1 year. Sometimes card is being delayed 1 year. Therefore, the best one option I am telling you, I'm not forcing. This is my actually counseling channel, consultancy channel, counseling channel. I have to tell you that you can develop your opinion, because options are very good in the life. You must not go with one option in immigration life. You must have at least 3 options. At least you classify your immigration in 3 options. First option, I think that you need to wait. Okay, that's good. Second option, lawyer. 6 taxes if you are paid. Illegal you are person, you have deposited 12 taxes, still you are eligible. But I don't think in this current scenario when government is changing rules for illegal, so lawyers will be happy to take your case if you are illegal. But for legal entry for people, if you have deposited 6 taxes, so if you have money and you are saving money for which purpose? Because when you will get passport, you will get immigration, you will get your card, you will be man of letter and you will earn more money. Money is no problem. Money you can earn by yourself. But if you have complete belief in that lawyer, that this lawyer can win my case and I will be successful, I think go for that. Thank you very much. World Immigration News by Irfan.